Naveen, are you ready for the? I know you can't see me, but are you ready for the first question coming your way? Totally, yes. Okay. Absolutely. So, when you're hiring a coach for your leadership team, Naveen, what's the one quality you're looking for that you know no AI tool can ever fake? It's very interesting that we started the day with the tech glitches on. We still, I think, on Zoom and Teams trying to say, are you listening to me? Do you watch my screen? And we still love to talk about how AI will take over our lives. I mean, I think every meeting of ours in office starts with, can you see my screen? And can you hear me? And the first 5 minutes goes in that. But I mean, I think the staying to just the conversation on coaches, which is within business. I mean, I briefly heard on the phone where Kavita was probably introducing me, and I've used coaches for many years, many decades. I personally benefited a lot from them as well. But I think the one word I use is probably discernment in some form, right?